Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Coil Pack Set of 6. This Ignition Coil Pack Set of 6 is for various Dodge, Jeep, and Mitsubishi vehicles with the 3.7 liter or 4.7 liter V6 engine. This can include the Dodge Ram, Dakota, Durango, or Nitro, Jeep Commander, Grand Cherokee, or Liberty, along with the Mitsubishi Raider. Years do range from 2000 to 2009, so either check the listing below or contact us to confirm if these fit your truck or SUV. What your ignition coil packs do is they receive signals from your vehicle's ECU to send power to the spark plugs, which ignite the fuel in your engine at the right time. All of these coil packs have the primary, secondary, and magnetic cores inside, which constantly provide a very strong and precise spark, which is sent through the high voltage connection to each individual spark plug. Replacing an ignition coil can traditionally solve common cylinder misfires and rough running issues. So, if your Dodge, Jeep, or Mitsubishi truck has started to misfire, idle erratically, or it hesitates under acceleration, the original coil packs might be blamed. Additionally, a specific check engine light pointing to a cylinder misfire may also be present if one or more aren't working. While these ignition coil packs are not a genuine OEM part, they do have the same OEM quality, fit, and finish, as they were designed as a direct OEM replacement with high quality construction and, of course, the OEM plug. Installation of these coil packs can vary based on which vehicle and specific location these are being installed, as there may be other parts such as the air intake or wires in the way. However, this is traditionally a very easy job to do yourself. First, pop open the hood, remove the necessary parts blocking your coil packs, remove the traditional 10mm nut that's holding these in place, and then unplug the coil pack harness. Reinstall in the reverse order. If you have any questions about this replacement ignition coil pack set, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.